everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in the previous episode we created our complete airflow DAG using the cloud composer. So where we have added like our pipelines can now detect the files from the cloud storage, trigger the Dataproc job, execute the PySpark ETL, load the data into the BigQuery, validate the output, right? But guys, building the pipelines is only one part. Now in the data engineering, so in the real productions environment, the most important parts or the skills we can say is monitoring the pipelines, building the finding the failures, reading the logs, debugging the issues, recovering the failed job, right? So today's we will execute our pipelines and learn how to troubleshoot the common productions pipeline. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the composer environment and let's upload our DAG file. Okay, if you go to DAGs folder, let's go to the DAG folder, and here let's click on the make sure that you should be in the DAX folder. Let's go to the upload files and let's upload the transactions pipeline. Yeah, transactions pipeline.py. Okay, so it will take guys 10 to 15 minutes to reflect the DAG. Okay, and if everything is correct, then your DAG will reflect, otherwise it will fail. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to the airflow. Okay, so this is our guys airflow environment. Okay, let's wait tag to reflect. Okay, so guys, let's refresh the page. So now we'll see that our uh, tag is reflected correctly. So let's see. So guys, if you see here, it is basically waiting for the check step, like it is waiting for the file to get into the bucket. Okay, so let's upload the sample file into the bucket. So here, yeah, so here if you see, we need to upload the file into the raw one, right? So let's upload the transactions.csu file here. Yeah, this transaction.csu file. Perfect, it's uploaded correctly, uploaded. And then if you refresh this page, yeah, it is still, let's see. Yeah, here, mm, yeah, fine, because the file is there, so it is completed successfully. Now the next step is the Dataproc job. So now in the Dataproc, let's see here. So here we are getting some error, right? Some permissions denied. Okay, so permission denied. Why? Actually, it should not give that error. Okay, but let's fix that error. mm, yeah, I guess it should not be there. Let me go to, yeah, it is might be the warning. Let us see. Let's go to the data prop. Okay, so let's go to the batch. Yeah, if you see here, the tag is initialized. Okay, because we already provided all the permissions, so there should not be any issue. Yeah, it's running fine. Let's go to the BigQuery, and here if I refresh, if you see here in the analytics data set, there is a no table. Okay, but it is running. Okay, mm, yeah, fine, it is running fine. Okay, job is still in the running state. Here, if I go here, take data set, yeah, if you see here that our table is uh, loaded successfully. If I go here and yeah, it is succeeded. So if you see here, our table is successfully loaded, and we discussed in the first video, right? We are converting this product table, this product with the uppercase. So and we need the amount which is greater than the 5,000, and status is completed. Okay, and we are added the new column as transaction history as high value. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. So like this is the code like we discussed in the our first one. Like here we added all the things, like we are need the greater than this value, we are writing the data to the BigQuery, to the output table, and this temporary options and the try catch block, and this is our pipeline code, which is our DAC code, where we have defined the project ID. You can add your service account here. Okay, and this default arguments, and this is the check file, this is the batch, a batch one, like where we have using the PySpark batch, like main output file URL. This is one, this is runtime environment, and this is also the, this is I guess new we added like environment config, like executions config equal to that is your service account Dataproc job. Here we are just giving the project ID and the batch ID. Okay, and here we have retry number, and this validate data. Here we are just validating the, like whether how many accounts we are getting, and that's it, guys. Okay, and if you go to add the, here it is succeeded, and if you see our tag is also succeeded. Here if you go to the validate, you will also see it is also completed. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is all about the this series. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.